Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fluent English with Shah, your home for English fluency. Day 16 of our 30-day speaking challenge. Today we are learning something very important, active voice and passive voice in the easiest way possible. Part 1. What is the active voice? Let's start with active voice. In active voice, the subject does the action. Example, I eat an apple. Here, I is the subject doing the action eat. Structure: subject plus verb plus object. He plays football. Here, he is the subject, plays is the verb, football is the object. Part 2. What is the passive voice? Now let's look at passive voice. In passive voice, the focus is on the object receiving the action. Example, an apple is eaten by me. Structure: object plus be verb plus past participle plus by plus object. Football is played by him. Here, football is the object, is the be verb, played verb past participle, by plus subject going to the object. Part 3. Active to passive roles. Let's break it down with tenses. Present simple. Active: she reads a book. Passive: a book is read by her. Here the clear example, active to passive. Past simple: they cleaned the room. Passive: the room was cleaned by them. Future simple. Active: he will write a letter. Passive: a letter will be written by him. Part 4. 10 daily use examples. I drink tea. Tea is drunk by me. He opens the door. The door is opened by him. They make cakes. Cakes are made by them. She cooks rice. Rice is cooked by her. We celebrate Eid. Eid is celebrated by us. He sang a song. A song was sung by him. I will buy a phone. A phone will be bought by me. You helped me. I was helped by you. She is writing a letter. A letter is being written by her. They are watching TV. TV is being watched by them. That is the 10 daily use examples. Active to passive. Now you are understand the difference between active and passive voice. Practice the sentence daily Let me know in the comments if you want a full class only on passive voice practice. Subscribe to continue learning with me every day. Take care and see you in the next lesson.